revision.
Sir, sir, please that clean the camera again with your finger like you did yesterday.
अच्छा.
Sir, now its video is very good.
Yeah. So, how many of you are scoring full today?
Sir, I.
Sir, I Laksh Kumar.
Sir, I
Can
Ansh
you write
Patel.
in the chat box? I.
Sir, I Utkarsh.
Sir, I Aditya.
Sir, I Bhavya Tyagi.
So almost all of you are scoring full.
Sir,
Just
not
keep
almost. Sir, not said.
all. And Mishra ji is there or not? Mishra ji आ गए नहीं आए अभी?
No, sir.
मिश्रा जी भी ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं. And what about Payal? Payal, you're scoring full?
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. वैसे कैसा हुआ है पायल? You found it easy or not?
So it was very easy.
Was very easy. Navya, what about you? Was it easy? Navya Goyal.
Sir, Aditya Mishra is came.
मिश्रा जी आ गए? कहाँ है मिश्रा जी?
Yes, sir, he has came, but he can't speak right now. His mic
Sir,
option.
Yes, sir, his audio is connected.
So now it is connected.
Sir, Mishra ji's audio is connecting.
अच्छा.
Sir, please make the maths paper very, very tough.
Chaitanya, how was your exam today? Reasoning
Sir,
exam?
my exam was very nice. I had scored full. I know everything in exam.
You scored full.
Sir,
Muskan,
please make.
Muskan beta,
Yes, sir.
how was your exam?
Sir, good.
Good. Very good. Rishika,
Yes, sir.
how was your exam today?
Sir, it was good, but
Sir,
marks were not
excellent.
shown.
But what happened? Sorry.
Yes, sir. Sir, marks were not shown.
अच्छा. नहीं वो तो I know that I have intentionally not shown the marks. अगर मैं mark दिखा देता हूँ और बच्चों को अगर someone has scored 28 out of 30 तो the child reattempts the exam. That is why I don't reveal the marks there and then. किसी को अगर जैसे अपने marks पता चल गए कि किसी के
Sir, 30 marks.
28
Sir, children get panic if they get less marks than their expectations. Like you.
Sir, I don't.
So they till they get full marks 30 out of 30 they keep on attempting the test. I have seen children like this.
So question number 20, sir, test is 40 or 30?
But the problem is that whatever is your first attempt, you get marks for that only. Yes, beta. What are you
Karthik
saying?
submitted 2 times. Sir, Karthik submitted 2 times.
Yeah, that Karthik was not able to do the.
Yes, sir.
He did some questions and the rest were left. So we will consider this case.
I also.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubts in maths? Anyone?
No,
Tomorrow
sir,
you
no
have-
doubt.
when do you have your maths exam?
Yes, sir. One question doubt. Sir, the question you told that three-digit number.
Just wait. When is your maths exam? Maths test?
25.
Sir, 25th of November.
The 25th of November.
That is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday or Wednesday? Is it on
So
Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So Wednesday.
Okay.
Sir, Wednesday.
So a lot of days are left.
Wednesday.
I think we should. Okay. You, Utkarsh, you were asking something. You can ask your doubt.
I was asking that the QRTs will come.
QRTs, actually not the very difficult ones. You will face questions which are not from your book, but those questions will obviously be based on the concept which is already told in the book. So nothing new will be there.
Sir, that means easy.
So yes.
On the same concept which is there in the book. A little twist in the language or a change in the numbers, the values, this will be there, but the concept will remain the same. QRTs means उसमें कुछ और
Okay, sir.
segments और मिला दिए, that is
पापा ने शायद फेविकॉल डाल दिया
all
इसमें।
that is QRTs. Okay.
शायद।
So yesterday I did a lot of QRTs. Means all the QRTs you told. I means my question out of that questions.
Okay. Mishra ji,
Sir, first
are you there?
sir is again connecting to audio.
No, he is there. Mishra ji,
Yes, sir.
how was your exam today?
Sir, it was very great.
Very great. Scoring full?
Yes, sir, for sure.
For sure. Oh my God. I really like the confidence. I like the way students speak in so much of confidence. When I was a child of your age, I never had this confidence in myself. Even
Sir,
today,
there were only 20
Sir,
questions.
you are the
so
student
that
of
means
Uzma,
only
ma'am.
2 marks for each.
So you are a student of Uzma, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Uzma ma'am was my teacher when I was a student. She was my teacher. I was in Bishop Conrad School. She was my teacher there. Even Shashi ma'am was there in a school where I was a student. So she was teaching junior classes. I was in 12th. She did not teach me. She was that time she was teaching junior classes, and I was in 12th. Shashi ma'am. And Uzma ma'am has taught me. Yes, Uzma ma'am has taught me SST. And yeah, Mishra ji, you were saying something.
Sir, I was saying there were only 20 questions, so that means 2 marks for each question.
Yeah, it was a 40-mark exam, so 2 marks for each question. I did not give 40 questions because then it would have been a little lengthy. Because some students finished it at 8:45, some finished at 8:40. So if there were 40 questions, then the students would have taken 1.5 hours to finish it. That is why I gave only 20 questions. Okay. So, yeah, Utkarsh, you were asking something. You had a doubt.
Sir, nothing asked.
Okay. No doubt. No particular question you were asking. Anyone, any doubt in maths, or I should resume with the chapter triangles?
Sir, resume.
Sir, we can resume with the
Sir,
chapter.
as your wish.
Okay, so we are going to resume with the chapter triangles, and one day you have an exam on Wednesday. So on Tuesday we will keep it for your doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask me on Tuesday. Okay, and if you want, I can tell your doubts on Monday also. But now we are resuming with the chapter triangles. I hope you all will prepare.
Sir, on
and-
Tuesday it will be DTS.
DTS, what is
Sir, on
DTS?
Tuesday. Doubt
Sir,
clear.
DCS, doubt clearing session.
DCS. Yes,
Doubt
sir.
clearing
DCS.
section.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can call it as DCS. From where you have got this term?
Sir Smriti ma'am.
Sir, from Smriti ma'am.
Yes. Do you know what is the full form of DCS in engineering? I have done engineering. The full form of DCS is Digital Control System.
Sir, engineering is good or teaching is good?
Depends on your liking. I like teaching more, although I like engineering also, but teaching is my passion, so I am here.
You are an IITian.
No, not an IIT. इतनी भी औकात नहीं है मेरी कि मैं IITian हूँ. But yes, I have once been to IIT.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Network problem. Navya, beta, I suggest you please get a broadband connection. I think you are facing serious network issues from last few days. So I will suggest you some plans. If you call me in the evening, I will promote some plans from Jio and Airtel, and you can choose any one of those. Okay.
Sir, 399 for unlimited data.
Yeah. Jio plan 399 for unlimited data, 30 Mbps speed plus taxes.
Sir, I have. Sir, I do. Sir, 399.
Okay.
Sir,
So
but I have the 1000 one, in which the YouTube can also work.
once I have been to IIT, I have not done my engineering from IIT. Once there was a competition in IIT and there was a workshop in IIT on robotics. So I have participated in that workshop and I participated in the competition also. There in the competition, I got the first prize. And there were participants from the whole country. I got the first prize. Thank you.
Sir, what you made?
There was a small car type of robot. It had wheels, 4 wheels. Small car type of robot. When it moves, whenever there is an obstacle, it changes its path automatically. So it had programming. The main part of that was not the hardware. The main part was the programming, coding. That is coding. So I did.
So you used what? C++ or JavaScript?
It was embedded.
I have not listened this name.
Assembly language programming. You have never heard of it. That is done on microcontrollers. Have you ever heard of microprocessors? Microprocessors and microcontrollers. Have you ever heard
Yes,
of
sir.
you must have heard of processors in your computers and your mobiles.
Yes, sir. My father
Sir,
was talking.
like i3, i5, Ryzen 8, like
Similarly,
this.
there are microprocessors and microcontrollers. So microcontrollers.
Yes, sir. I heard them.
So I did programming of microcontroller, coding of a microcontroller, assembly language programming, and made a robot with the help of it. And that was an.
Sir, you made a robot?
Matlab, not that. Matlab, actually, when we talk about a robot, everyone thinks of a human-like structure which has 2 hands, 2 legs, and a face. वो वाला robot are of many types. So I'm not talking about that robot which has 2 hands and 2 legs. ऐसा वाला robot नहीं. There was a robot का meaning ये होता है something. It could be a car. It could be a device which moves on its own or it decides what to do on its own. कोई ऐसी चीज जो अपने आप decide करती है कि मुझे क्या करना है.
So the actual
Sir,
definition.
artificial intelligence.
Yeah,
I made the artificial
So
intelligence.
that is known as a robot. It could be in any shape. It could be a car. It could be a machine. It could be
Alexa.
anything like that. So that you can call it as a robot. So it was a car-like structure, small car-like structure. So it had 4 wheels. It had some hardware also. So it had a microcontroller. The main part was the microcontroller. Microcontroller is the brain of that robot. हमारा जैसे ब्रेन होता है जैसे
Sir, I have joined late, so please tell what we are doing.
मैं कह रहा था कि ये जो
We are resuming the
we are going to resume the chapter triangles. I was telling students about a robot that I made in my college days when I was doing my BTech. Then okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so I made that. I did the coding of and what it did whenever it is going to it moves, and when it sees an obstacle, it just changes the path before getting rammed into the obstacle. There was a sensor which could identify the obstacle, and before getting slammed into it, it changes the path. So that
Sir,
was
do you have that robot now also, sir, saved with you?
I deposited it in the college. I gave it to my college. They kept it. Not I. I never gave it. They kept it. They asked me to deposit your project in the college. They show it to other students whenever they come to the college. Now I don't know what they are
You-
doing. They kept it in their lab.
Sir, what you wanted to become when you were a student?
When I was a student, when I was in class 5 or 6, I wanted to become an actor. मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैं बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ तो और थोड़ा मुझे अपने पर थोड़ा सा ऐसा फील होता था कि यार क्या स्मार्ट लड़का हूँ मतलब जब मैं 5th में था
सर
तब
वैसे बन भी सकते थे आप।
सर बस सही
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था आई कैन बिकम एन एक्टर बट जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं अकल आती तो पता चलता है कि फिर मुझे लगा यार क्या अपने आप को मैं हीरो समझता हूँ क्या बेवकूफ़ आदमी हूँ तो उसके बाद मुझे फिर जब मैं 10th में आया देन आई रियलाइज आई कैन गो टू आर्मी आई वांटेड टू सर्व द इंडियन आर्मी लेकिन उसके बाद फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मेरा थोड़ा हाइट वगैरह उसके लिए अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है और मेरे पेरेंट्स भी इतने सपोर्टिव नहीं थे उस चीज़ को लेकर के तो व्हेन आई डिड माय 12th देन आई डिसाइडेड टू डू इंजीनियरिंग तो मुझे इंजीनियरिंग को लेकर के बहुत पैशन उस समय फील होता था कि आई वांटेड टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर आई वांटेड टू डू प्रोग्रामिंग आई वाज गुड इन मैथ्स सो मैथ्स एंड प्रोग्रामिंग आर वेरी सिमिलर उसमें दिमाग यूज होता है मतलब सेम टाइप ऑफ ब्रेन इज यूज्ड इन मैथ्स एंड प्रोग्रामिंग सो
good in
अच्छा
or
लगता था
math.
so I went in the field of engineering so when I was doing my engineering I used to teach my friends मतलब अपने मैं पढ़ लेता था फिर मैं पढ़ने के बाद अपने फ्रेंड्स को पढ़ाता था साथ में बैठ करके they used to come and ask me their problems so I used to teach them तो जब मैं उन्हें पढ़ाता था and when I was teaching my students मतलब students my friends so जब वो लोग मतलब मेरी वजह से फिर वो आकर के मुझसे कहते थे कि यार तेरी वजह से पास हो गए हम वरना हमारी बहुत खराब हालत थी ये था वो था तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा फील होता था आई यूज टू फील प्राउड कि चलो मेरी वजह से किसी का भला हुआ तब से मेरे अंदर दैट इंटरेस्ट डेवलप्ड ऑफ टीचिंग सो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था व्हेन आई गेट दैट फीलिंग दैट आई एम एबल टू support anyone in this way they are feeling good that they have got good marks because of me so वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है that is why I am now here in teaching
Sir, in which engineering you are specialized?
I have done electronics and communication
Sir, can you teach science?
I have actually
to
done BTech and MTech in my BTech I was a student of electronics and instrumentation and then when I did my MTech I was a student of electronics and communication.
Sir, can you teach science to classes like 6th, 7th, 8th?
I don't like teaching science. Science में थोड़ा रटने वाला पार्ट भी होता है वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
सर मेरे को भी.
Sir, you are from Bareilly or any other place?
I am from Bareilly only. So that was a small 20-minute session on my life. Now let us resume the studies. 20 मिनट खराब हो गए मेरी बातों में. Okay.
Biography. So it was recorded. So it was recorded.
So triangles, can you tell me the chapter number? Yeah, I got it. 15. Chapter number 15. And it is, we are doing the second exercise. We have done the exterior angle property. I think what I remember, I think that we have done the exterior angle
Yes,
property. Okay. So
We have to
quick
start with
question.
second exercise.
Okay, we have to start the exercise, or we have already started the exercise?
Sir, we have done first 3 questions.
We have done the.
Sir, we have done first 3 questions.
Okay, right.
We have to start with question number 4.
We have to start question 4. Okay. We have done first 3 questions. Let me just remind you what is exterior angle property. मैं जल्दी से बता रहा हूँ what is exterior angle property quickly. Quick revision. I hope you all remember angle sum property of a triangle.
Yes, sir.
So what बेटा मैंने अभी जो थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताया, that thing what I told you about myself, उससे क्या आपको मतलब थोड़ा सा अगर कुछ सीखने को मिला, वो क्या सीखने को मिला? First of all, as we grow in our life, our dreams, our aims keep on changing with life, with the situations in life, with our passion. जैसे जैसे हमारे actually passion और interest भी change होता रहता है life के साथ साथ. So that changes in life, and the main thing is that when you are doing what you really like, what your passion is, that you are doing that you really enjoy. Right now I really like doing work. I really like what I am doing. I am a teacher and I really like it. पैसे तो मैं मतलब ठीक ठाक कमा लेता हूँ. अगर मैं I would have been in engineering, I would have been an engineer. I must be living in Delhi or maybe out of India. तो पैसा वहां पे भी बहुत होता, लेकिन मे भी हो सकता है कि उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता. So that is one thing, and money is also important, but what I think is that what you really like doing, that is more important. So one thing is that, and second thing, if you are really passionate about something, you should really give your best in that. So उसके लिए एक और story है मेरे पास, but that story I will tell you some other day. Okay, so exterior angle property says this is, if suppose this is angle 1, this is your angle 2. First of all, exterior angle, what is exterior angle? Exterior angle तब पैदा होता है. Exterior angle is born बोल सकते हैं. तब पैदा होता है जब when you produce one side of the triangle, and the angle made with the other side outside the triangle, angle made with the other side of the triangle, दूसरी side के साथ जो angle बनता है, that angle is known as the exterior angle. So this is exterior angle. If this is angle 3, then the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angles.
Sorry, sir, I got disconnected.
No problem. मैं बस revise करा रहा हूँ what is exterior angle property. Okay. This is just a quick revision of what is exterior angle property. So the exterior
Okay,
angle
sir.
is equal to sum of opposite interior angles, angle 1 plus angle 2. ये वाले आपके opposite interior angles क्यों कहलाते हैं? This angle is adjacent. This is not opposite interior angle. This is adjacent angle. So इसको नहीं लेंगे, बाकी दोनों को ले लेंगे. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is a quick revision of exterior angle property. Let us now start with the questions. We have already done the first 3 questions. Now we will do the question number 4. An exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 and its interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Very good. There is a triangle. They have not given the figure. You have to draw the figure on your own, and it is important to draw the figure. If you are drawing the figure, it gives you a good idea, and it will develop a habit of drawing. If you are developing a habit of drawing the figures, you will find really easy in class 9th and 10th. In class 9 and 10, in many questions, you will be making figures on your own. The In the questions, they will not give the figure. You have to draw the figure on your own, reading the question, and then you have to solve it. So it is a good habit of drawing the figures on your own. So this is a triangle. In this triangle, the exterior angle is given 110 degrees. This is given in the question. And what else is given? They are saying that the opposite interior angles, are in the ratio 2:3. These two angles are in the ratio 2:3. So if I take one angle as 2x, the other angle will be 3x, because the ratio is 2:3. Got it? Have you all got? Have you all got this? Understood? 2x and 3x. Understood, everyone? The concept of 2x and 3x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
you have to find all the angles of the triangle. Find all the three angles of the triangle. Okay, angle A, angle B, and angle C. So first of all, we can say that angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. What is the reason? Exterior angle property. Don't forget to mention the property. Very, very important. Exterior angle property. 110 degrees. Angle A is 2x. Angle B is 3x. 110. 5x. X is equals to 110 upon 5. $22. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now you can find all the three angles. Angle A, 2x, that means 44 degrees. Angle B, 3x, that means 66 degrees. And what about angle C? Angle C plus angle ACD, इन दोनों का sum 180. Reason बताइए. Angle C plus angle ACD.
Linear pair of angle.
Linear pair of angles.
Linear pair.
These two are linear pair of angles. Angle C अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ, that means I'm talking about angle ACB. Angle C अगर बोला, that means इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Angle ACB. आप angle C की जगह angle ACB भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, ये वाला angle. So angle C plus angle ACD is equals to 180. Reason LP, linear pair. Full form लिखना है. So you get angle C equals to 70 degrees. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, in the fifth question, the opposite both the angles will be 50-50 degrees.
Fifth question. Okay. Yeah.
And
So
the third angle will be 80.
can you all do the fifth one on your own? All of you read the question, make a figure, and do it. All of you. Question number 5. Draw the figure first on your own. The figure is not given in the book. You have to draw it on your own and then do the question. Start doing it. Question number 5.
Sir, done.
Sir, angle A is equals
Told
to
the
50,
question.
angle B is
50
equals to
degrees
50,
is
and angle
equal to
C is
50 and C is equal to 80.
Okay, very good. 50, 50 and 80. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 and its interior opposite angles are equal. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. So the figure is something like this.
Yes, sir, similar to this.
Similar. The
Only numbers
exterior
are
angle
changed.
is question 5. Exterior angle is 100. Opposite interior angles are equal. Equal है तो आप
We can
दोनों
take
angle
both
ले
as x.
We can take both the angles as x. Now x plus x is equals to 110. X plus x is equal to 110. So with the help of this equation, you will get x equals to 50. तो ये वाला एंगल 50 हो गया, ये भी 50 हो गया, and ये वाला एंगल you can find with the help of linear pair.
80.
Linear pair property. So ये वाला आपका 80 आता है. Got it? Very simple question.
Sir, we can also find this angle by that sum of all sides of the angle.
G. Sum of all angles of a triangle. Angle sum property.
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone. Shall we start with the sixth
Yes,
one?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. In the figure given alongside, find. We will have to draw the figure first. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. This angle is 25. ये वाला 25 degrees. Okay. And this is 45. This is 40. Now you have to find the measure of angle.
Sir, we can do this by our own. It is very easy.
Okay. Find first part, angle ACD, and second part, angle AED. ACD and AED. These two angles you have to find out. Okay. So look at the angle ACD. ACD angle. This is angle ACD. I hope you all are looking at the board. You have drawn the figure. Okay, मैं थोड़ा वेट कर लेता हूँ, 1 मिनट का वेट कर रहा हूँ. 1 मिनट अगर वेट करूँगा तो क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी.
Sir,
you are
please
drawn-
wait. We can do it by our own. Sir, it is very easy.
Okay,
Please wait. We can do by our own.
I want your concentration. Stop writing, all of you, everyone. Stop writing. Stop doing
Okay,
whatever
sir.
you are doing. Just look at the board, everyone. अभी आप लोगों को नहीं करना है कॉपी में कुछ भी. Just look at the board, all of you. I want your concentration here. पहला आपको निकालना है एंगल ACD. ये वाला एंगल निकालना है. एंगल ACD निकालने के लिए आपको सिर्फ फिगर में पता है क्या दिखना चाहिए. You should see only this much of the figure. सिर्फ आपको फिगर में इतना दिखना चाहिए. ये है A, ये C है, ये D है, and this is B. अब आपको ये एंगल मालूम है, ये वाला एंगल नहीं मालूम है. You have to find angle ACD.
We can find angle ACB, and after that we can find angle ACD.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं है बेटा. एंगल ACD, ट्राइंगल
Corresponding.
ट्राइंगल ABC के लिए एंगल ACD क्या है? It is an exterior angle. Am I right or not? Angle
Yes,
ACD
sir.
Yes, sir.
is an exterior
Yes.
angle of the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC के लिए ये angle क्या है? Exterior angle है. लेकिन triangle ECD की अगर हम बात करेंगे, then this is not exterior, this is interior angle. लेकिन हम ECD की बात तो करेंगे, we are talking about angle ACD, which is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. मैंने गलत बोला या सही बोला बताइए? This is an exterior
Sir,
angle
सही
of
बोला।
triangle ABC. अब exterior angle कैसे निकलता है? Opposite interior angles को add कर दीजिए, exterior angle मिल जाएगा। कितना मिल गया? 70 डिग्री।
70.
तो प्रॉपर्टी लिखनी है आपको, सब कुछ प्रॉपर तरीके से मेंशन करके करना है। अब उसके बाद ये एंगल मिल गया आपको 70, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड एंगल AED, ये वाला एंगल फाइंड करना है। ये कितना है?
Sir,
एंगल
exterior angle.
एंगल AED is actually an exterior angle of triangle ECD. ECD triangle का exterior angle है। तो आप इन दोनों एंगल्स को अगर ऐड करेंगे तो आपको एंगल AED भी मिल जाएगा। 70 plus 40. Am I right or not? 70 plus 40 कितना आ गया? 110. So I hope you all are going to do it on your own with proper steps.
Yes, sir.
मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ, मैंने क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है।
Yes,
I want you all to do it on your own right now. Start doing it.
Okay, sir, doing.
Sir, done.